possibly the most beautiful camping we've ever been to. Today we are going
on an adventure!
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds.
The first step of the day is gonna be a plane, and we're gonna fly over the Whitsundays. Whitsundays.
You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me.
It's the tiniest plane.
Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
Okay guys, we are now passing over Whitsunday Island. This is the largest island in the group.
Make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow.
Much can be seen from outer space. It is one of 7 natural wonders in the world.
My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you.
No words. I could have cried.
A slap in my face.
It was so beautiful.
Amazing.
But the day is not over yet. Actually, it's just 10 a.m. And in fact, we're going on a boat tour. Yes!
Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
sometimes, but I know